Cloning a GitHub repository allows you to create a local copy of the repository on your computer. Here's a guide. Repository URL. Open the GitHub repository you want to clone in your web browser. Clone button. Click the green code button on the repository page. Copy URL. Click the clipboard icon next to the repository URL to copy it. Terminal or Git GUI. Open your terminal or Git GUI application on your computer. Navigate to location. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where you want to clone the repository. Clone command. In the terminal, use git clone repository URL and paste the copied URL. Press enter. Cloning. The repository will begin cloning, downloading all files and history to your local machine. Access cloned repository. Once cloning is complete, use the cd command to navigate into the newly cloned repository's directory. Local work. You can now work on the files in your local repository, make changes and commit them. Syncing. Regularly pull the latest changes from the remote repository using git pull origin main. Collaboration. If collaborating, create branches, make changes, and push them back to the remote repository using git push. Updating. Keep your local copy up to date by periodically pulling changes from the remote repository. Multiple repositories. Repeat the cloning process for other repositories you want to work with. Git commands. Learn and use Git commands like git add, git commit, and more for effective version control. Repositories list. To see a list of your cloned repositories, use the command git remote -v.